Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS ROG acronym for ROG Flow Z13-ACRNM RMT02 tablet. So friend, ASUS announced the second project in its ongoing collaboration with ACRONYM, a leading technical apparel company, to create the ROG Flow Z13-ACRNM RMT02, bringing together the world of fashion, art, tech, Web3 and gaming in a powerful tablet available for sale. And friend, the device features pro-level specification including an Intel Core i9 3900H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU, containing that outsized power is the tablet size chassis that is designed to encourage portability and real-world use, and the beautifully intricate custom machined aluminum clad rigidity and the ingeniously designed integrated carry system uses a versatile strap that lets the device become its own transport system and allow use in multiple modes. And front rubber holes are inset to provide grip in every orientation, and corners are reinforced to keep the machine safe from identical to bumps or drops. And friend, it comes with a custom acronym pouch designed to house the power supply, power cables and pan, and it will be accompanied by the launch of WRKGRP Bacon Web 3 program, which is reimagine and brand community relationship. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.